boy Ryan Flex back with another video. It been a minute since y'all heard me say this. Seen me pop up. Whoever got me on their little notification bell. But yeah, man, been had a lot going on though. But yeah, I'm back now though. I'm finna start back posting and all that though. But this video right here about my car. Somebody hit my car while I was parked. They put like little scuff marks on it, like yeah, they made me up, man. But I'm gonna show y'all how I look when I got the car too though. And they broke my the little side markers, my side marker. Like, I'm finna go and replace them too. I ain't gonna tell y'all what kind I got. I'm just gonna wait. When I post video, all that gonna be on the like the fist paint and the new side markers and all that. But I'm gonna show y'all though. Here you go right here, y'all. He bad into it, hit it like right here. He broke there right here. That's why I'm gonna replace my LED panel. It don't make no sense to just replace one. It's over with. A good thing he hit me like messing it up real bad though. Straight right there. Kinda hit my rim too a little bit. But it's straight though. It ain't that bad like I thought it was though. Yeah, straight. My car real dirty too though. Yeah, it ain't that bad though. Got the shot now though. I just got this back home now. My LED light. Well, not LED, I'm tripping, but my side marker light, they here. They right here. Oh yeah, your boy, what that, like 2 weeks ago, your boy bought a new house and everything. Though. I'm just giving y'all this little sneaky right now. I don't really be with that showing my house jump for real. But yeah, though. You know what I mean? Show y'all how to cook. But yeah, man, me and my girl bought a house though. We closed on our house. All that. Yeah, right here though. Hold on. They got the 2 times. Shit, traffic. They got it in there right here. It's 4 on though. Well, y'all don't know what it is, but they how they look. They black. But they just plug and play. But I'm gonna get Jose to do it though. Y'all don't know Jose though, but Jose, like my paint man. Whatever I need done, Jose get it done. He need to start a YouTube though. Real. But yeah, he gonna get it done for me, man. I could have did it myself, but since he painted and fixing it my own, what got damaged, I might well gonna let him put them on. I actually gotta take it back to him. But yeah, man, y'all just like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. I know it been a minute, but don't subscribe for me though, man. And fuck with me, man. I got y'all more videos on the way, man. For real. Yeah, man, since y'all fuck with me, I give y'all a little tour, man. Like, this little kitchen right here. Refrigerator. And I got a little, we still unpacking though. We got a little, I ain't been on zoom in, but a little patio right there and all that. My living room, I ain't going in the back of the house. Y'all just gonna see this. The living room right here. No, I mounted all my TV. Had to get that mounted. But we ain't even done up here. We gotta buy some more stuff up in here. Right there. Yeah, I don't want shit out back of the house. Yeah, man. If I did it, well, me and my girl did it. Anybody can do it. Just put your mind to it and get it done. Feel me? I don't mind the covers and everything. I just be in here chilling. Like my man cave. I ain't even done here. I ain't done with a lot of stuff though. Can't shit out of the room, man. I forgot to make the bed up this morning. She gonna be mad at me when she get here though. But yeah though, man. Man, it's midday. My car's supposed to be ready today, but it raining, man. You know it got painted. And he just texted me and told me that like he don't want the rain to mess up. Send me a picture of it too. Getting it down there. Yeah, man, I'm just waiting, man. The rain always be in the way. Trying to see when they'll be ready. But I ain't doing that watch TV though, you know. All about the Benjamin. I know y'all know about it. Yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I go pick it up. Hey, y'all, my car ready now. It's the same day, but it's late at night. It's like, what time is it? Hold on. 11:42. You a little better though, but 11:42, almost 12 o'clock. If you go get my car, boy, gotta go get it. But yeah, I'm finna get it though, man. When I get there, I'll show y'all, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, he fit though. I ain't showed it yet. He repainted like the whole front part right here. Right there. I'm changing these badges in this though. Then my car dirty though. I'm gonna get a wash tomorrow. Yeah, I know it. Get dirty as fuck though. I'm gonna go ahead and add this up in the video. This is next day though. I'm just gonna add it in. Add it in there. Had to go and come get it why. The lady here still, I don't even be out. Oh shit. Hold on. Shit. Baby, it's so dirty, man. I put gas in my girl car. But yeah, though, man. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Man, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna wrap it up, though. This is the end of it, though. But I got everything fit that I need to fit. I'm gonna get my car out tomorrow, though. I ain't putting it on there. It'll just be white. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, though. Fuck with y'all.